Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your jumper thermometer. First, ensure the device is clean and ready for use. You'll want to understand its different modes, typically forehead and ear, for accurate readings. Proper positioning is key, so we'll cover that. Familiarize yourself with the buttons, power, mode, and scan. This ensures you get reliable results every time you take a temperature. To take a forehead temperature first, make sure the thermometer is set to forehead mode. Gently place the probe flat against the center of the forehead, ensuring good contact. Press and hold the scan button until you hear a single beep, usually taking about 1 second. The display will show your reading, often with a color-coded backlight indicating temperature status. A green light means normal, while yellow or red suggests a fever. For an ear temperature, attach a new, clean ear probe cover securely. Gently insert the probe into the ear canal, aiming towards the eardrum. Press the scan button and hold it until you hear a beep, which typically takes about 1 second. Remove the thermometer and read the temperature. Remember, using a fresh probe cover for each measurement is crucial for hygiene and accuracy, preventing cross-contamination and ensuring reliable results. For the most accurate readings, wait at least 30 minutes after strenuous exercise, bathing, or eating. After each use, clean the probe with an alcohol wipe to maintain hygiene and prevent germ spread. Store your jumper thermometer in its protective case, in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. When the low battery indicator appears, replace the 2 AAA batteries promptly to ensure continuous, reliable operation of your device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.